How to allow or prevent users to change the time in Windows 10. To avoid inconsistencies across systems, it's important to restrict access to date and time modification settings. The good news? Windows provides powerful built-in tools to help you manage these permissions. In this video, we'll walk you through step-by-step methods to configure these settings. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Allowing or preventing users from changing time. There are three methods you can use to allow or prevent users from changing the system time. Method 1. Using local security policy. Press Win+R to open Run and enter secpol.msc. Expand Local Policies and click User Rights Assignment. Find and double-click Change the System Time to edit the time change permissions. Then, you can allow or block access from there. To allow, click on Add User or Group, select the account, and click OK. To block, remove the user or group from the list. Click Apply, then OK. Then, restart your PC to apply the changes. Method 2. Using Group Policy Editor. Press Win+R to open Run and enter gpedit.msc. Go to the following file department: Configuration, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Local Policies, User Rights Assignment. Double-click Change the System Time. Then, add or remove users or groups as needed. Click Apply, then OK. Then, restart your PC to apply the changes. Method 3. Using Command Prompt. Press Win+X, then select Command Prompt Admin. Run the following command. If it shows up as enabled, this means the user can change time settings. Modify the permissions with ntrights.exe. If unavailable on your device, you can download it from Microsoft. To allow, enter. To block, enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Alternative security measures. Blocking time changes is a good start, but adding a few more steps can make your system even more secure and stable. Here are some helpful alternatives. Use standard user accounts for daily tasks. Administrator accounts have broad privileges, including changing system time. It's safer to limit daily users to standard accounts. Go to Settings, Accounts, Family and Other Users. Click Add Someone Else and choose Standard User. Use the admin account only for important tasks. Standard users can't change key settings like date and time, helping protect your system. Enforce automatic time synchronization. Windows 10 comes equipped with time service and sync tools for time and date accuracy. Having this setting on can prevent any mismatched time zones, which can be crucial for remote workers. To enable this, open Run, Win+R, and enter services.msc. Find and double-click Windows Time and set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Start, then Apply, OK. By using Local Security Policy, Group Policy, or Command Prompt, you can easily control who's allowed to change the date and time, keeping your system secure and consistent. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to allow or prevent users to change the time in Windows, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.